Welcome to my channel. Optimum Router Login. Open your computer or laptop. Connect your device to the Optimum Router's network. You can connect the device wirelessly or using a wired connection. Open the web browser you usually use on your device. Enter the Optimum Router IP address 192.168.1.1 in the address bar or visit router.optimum.net. If you are accessing the router settings using the router IP 192.168.1.1, you should use the login details printed on the sticker. The label is usually located on the side or the bottom side of the router. If you are accessing the router settings by visiting router.optimum.net, then you need to sign in using your Optimum ID. When you click the Login/Sign In button, you should see the Optimum Admin dashboard. This allows you to see a list of the devices connected to your network at the moment.